Hi, now that you know how to write a correct significant notation, so in this chapter, we continue with significant figures. Okay, so for significant figures, there are few rules that you need to understand because a number can be a significant or not significant to be concluded in scientific report lah. Okay, so if you have any digit that has no zero, it is a significant number or significant figures. Okay, so for example here, if you have 1.234 kilogram, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is four significant figures. Okay, another example, when you have, let's say you have 3.78. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 significant figures. Okay, this is easy because any digit that has no zero, this is a significant. But for a number that have a zero, you must consider either it is a significant or not. For example, okay, if you have a zero between a non-zero number, all the number are significant. All the number are significant. 606. Okay, so the zero here is significant. So 1, 2, 3. So three significant figures. 40074. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 significant figures because the zero is in between a non-zero digit. Okay, and then if you have a zero to the left of the first non-zero digit, it is not significant. For example, if you have here 0.08, so these zero are not significant. Okay, so not significant figures. So 8 here is a non-zero digit, so it is a significant. So you only have one significant figures. Okay, sama juga if you have 0.0045, so you have a two significant figures. Okay, and then if you have a number that is greater than 1 and then all the zero to the right of the significant are significant. Okay, so 2.00. So here dia tunjuk 2.0 milligram. So it is 1, 2. This 0 is significant after decimal places. Kalau saya buat 2.000, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. Okay, because 0 after decimal point is significant. Okay. Right, so that is on significant figures. If you have a number that less than 1, then the only zeros that are in the end and in the middle are significant. Okay, contoh you ada depan dan di belakang. Okay, so di depan sebelum non-zero digit, it is not significant. And then 1, 2, 3. So 0 here is significant. Satu you dah tengok dia ada decimal point kan. Okay. Okay, so ada 3 significant figures. Okay. And then zeros at the end of number before decimal point are ambiguous. For example, exponent notation eliminates ambiguity. Sorry. So, kalau you ada scientific notation, okay, apa-apa with exponent kan. Okay, 6.45. So, ini tak ada zero. So, jangan you besarkan dia. Okay, 5000. No. So, zero there is not significant. So, kita ambil sahaja and di depan ni. Okay, all the number here and ni adalah significant. Tak kisahlah walaupun dia ada zero macam like here 2.4510. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. And the last one, for number that do not contain decimal point, the zero after the last non-digit may or may not be significant. So for example, if you have a 400 milliliter, so 400 milliliter ni tak ada decimal point kat sini. So the significant for figures for this number, it could be 1, it could be 2, or it could be 3 significant figures. The zero there can be either considered as a significant figures. Okay, so you ada 3 jawapan lah untuk 400 milliliter. Okay, samalah juga kalau you ada 50 milliliter. So it is a 1 significant figures or 2 significant figures. Okay, so these are a basic rule for significant figure, how to find it. Okay, now kita try buat exercise. Kita try do this exercise. Okay, kita fikir sama-sama. You pernah tengok cerita Dora? Okay, so sekarang saya akan jadi Dora. Okay guys, so what is the significant figures for the question number 1? Yeah, you're right. 2 significant figures. The next one? 3.001. Okay, 4 significant figures. The next one? Betul, 3 significant figures. Okay, and then 2 significant figures. The next one? Wow, correct. 2 or 3 significant figures. Okay, be careful here. You don't have any decimal place, so you might consider this as a significant figures. And then the last one? Yes, you are right. 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 significant figures. Okay. So now you have identify what is the significant figures. I believe you do the exercise with me together just now. Okay, next we go for the significant figures in mathematician operational. Okay, for the addition and the subtraction, the syarat dia sama saja. So bila you ada these two operation, the thing yang you kena tengok adalah decimal place. Okay, after decimal point tu berapa decimal place. Okay, for example here 89.332. 0.332 here ada 3 decimal place. Okay, plus 1.1 which is 1 decimal place. So untuk here the answer must exit to the smallest decimal place. Maksudnya jawapan dia mesti 1 decimal place. So bila you tambah tekan kalkulator you dapat 90.432. So to report with correct significant numbers, kita akan run off dia jadi 90.4 sahaja. Okay, 90.4. Okay, 90.4 ni, 1 ni adalah decimal place yang terendah, least, smallest. Okay, the next is for significant figures for subtraction. Sama juga. You buat jawapan, you tengok ni 2 decimal place and then this 4. So the answer must be in 2 decimal place. Okay, that is for addition and subtraction. Next is for multiplication and division. So for this multiplication and division, apa yang kita kena tengok adalah smallest significant figure. So here you consider dia punya significant figures. Kalau tambah dan tolak, consider dia punya decimal place. Okay, so 4.51. So this is 3 significant figures times 3.99. This is 5 significant figures. So 3 and 5. So 3 adalah small. So the answer must be in 3 significant figures. So dapatlah 16.1.5. Okay, sama juga dengan bahagi. You tengok significant figures. Sini 2, sini 5. So jawapan mesti 2 significant figures. Okay. Sometimes bila you buat operasi, you dapat jawapan macam kurang daripada dia punya significant figures ataupun decimal place. Dekat sini you kena pandai menggunakan scientific notation to get the correct answer. Sekarang tak nampak contoh, nanti kita buat exercise, kita akan nampak contoh. Okay. And then the exact number for significant figures, kita tengok number from definition or number object are considered to have infinite number of significant figures. For example, when you do this average of 3 measurement, so kita bahagi dengan 3, Okay, bila kita bahagi 3, 3 ni adalah exact number. So, kita jangan cakap because walaupun kita bahagi ini satu significant figures kan jawapan dia. Tapi bukan satu significant figures because 3 is exact number. Maksud dia kalau ada you kena kira significant figures yang ada perpuluhan. Macam ni 3, 3, ini pun 3. So jawapan mesti 3 significant figures. Bukan satu significant figures. Okay. I think that's all for significant figures.